Okay, in this session, I would like to tell you about how to install Bootstrap into your website or any page. Whenever you want to create one responsive website, then you have to install that Bootstrap into that page or in your website. So where we can get that Bootstrap installation of files, simply come to the browser. Just type as getbootstrap.com. This is main path to load the to open the Bootstrap website. So here you can see this is the Bootstrap installation procedures, as well as this is the Bootstrap interface and website. So if you want to create a responsive website, then you have to install the Bootstrap. Come to the documents. There you can see introduction is there. There in that this getting started menu is there. Document had this kind of menu options. Each and every menu had its own independent submenus on this page also. Okay, so here you can see there is a starter template is there, and moreover remember, if you want to install Bootstrap into your project, there is two kinds of installation process is there for HTML and CSS. First select the document, or else come to the home page. There you can see there you will find one download button is there. If you download this button, then you will get Bootstrap files whatever it had. You can place these files into your root folder, and you can link that bootstrap.min.css file into your HTML page. Without having internet, you can access these responsive features whatever Bootstrap had. And second procedure is to download and insert the source code. Starter template is the basic. Starter template had some responsive features with CDN link only. CDN in the sense Content Development Network. So with the help of this CDN, you can access Bootstrap responsive features. Remember, if you use this CDN JS delivered CDN bootstrap.min.css or else CDN JS delivered JavaScript files, then you need to use internet. If you didn't get any internet, you couldn't get any responsive features after using this starter template. So this is mandatory. So depend upon your requirement, you can go and use the CDN link, or else you can download those Bootstrap files. What I will do is I would like to go with the starter template whatever Bootstrap starter template had. So first I will copy this one and open my code editor, open new file, and first class .html. Now we can see I will paste this one like this. Now we can access this had this kind of CDN installation file, and coding is there. Now you can see body is there. After closing body, you can see JavaScript related CDN link. After closing of the HTML header closing tag, only you can get min.css. This is purely the installation process into your file. So now I want to check it out how this Bootstrap CDN will work. For that I will check it out one class attribute. For that what I will do is I will take one h2. So here I will define heading. Save this one. I want to see the preview. Just open here and just open to live server. Here you can see it seems to be like this. This is a heading. Remember, this is purely Vardhana font. Okay, it seems to be like this. I want to add some background color to this heading. So here you can see, here in this h2 tag, I will assign some class attributes. In next session, you will learn about what are the class attributes and how we can use the class attributes into our responsive in here in this bootstrap file, etc. etc. We'll learn in next session. Here what I will do is I will check it out whether Bootstrap is installed or not. If it is installed, is it working fine or not? I would like to check it out. For that, what I will do is class is equal to bg info. Now I will save this one. Here you can see there is a bg is there. Here, remember, without assigning any single line of CSS code, with the assigning this class attribute, I inserted some background color seems to be like this. So what happening is, whatever bg info class attribute had, it had some property. It had some cyan color, width, height. All the attribute property are having in this CDN link only. And after that there is a slider is there, pop over buttons is there, accordations is there. Those JavaScript functionalities are having under the cdn link min.js only. So this is the process to install our bootstrap cdn into our page. And in next session you will learn class attributes, components, etc., etc. in bootstrap.